Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve the Barbie ponytail. For starters, you always want to start by detangling the hair. This time I detangle the hair with my blow dryer. Once the hair is pressed, I always like to ask my clients if they like where I have placed their ponytails. If not, we can move it around.
I've got more than 20.
Once we have the desired position, we start the molding process.
22. Oh, I've got more than 22.
Once we're done molding, we attach the hair. I believe we used the 18-inch bundle for her Barbie ponytail. I always like to cut the ends of the ponytail because we start from the bottom, so the tip or the end of the ponytail is always a little bit longer. So I always cut that part off.
I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly know
I've got more than 22. 22. Oh, I've got more than 22. It may not come when I want, but favors to follow.
And then we start to curl the ponytail upward with our 1-inch flat iron.
It may not come when I need, but patience is everything. Yeah, I'ma take a song I like and make it about Jesus Christ. Yeah, he deserves the praise, cause he paid the price. So grateful that he saved my life. I gotta keep my head up high, can't focus on the ones beside that lead me to my destiny. I pray my destiny is still finding me. Yeah, it's amazing how in his presence the blessings they follow me. Oh, it's amazing.
I like to get my ponytails at least 3 to 4 curls.
And when I stumble, his hand puts me back on my feet. It may not come when I want, but favor still follows me. It may not come when I need, but patience is everything. So I got more than 22 reasons to thank you for how your love goes deeper than the surface. So I put my trust in you. I've got more than 22 reasons to thank you. More than 22 reasons to praise. I'm seeking your face out.
Once we have all the curls, we're going to comb all of those curls together to form one curl.
I don't know why you gave me another chance to change up my life.
And here's the finished look for our Barbie ponytail. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.